If you're outside the US and trying to form an LLC in Florida, you've probably run into confusing websites, outdated information, and very little clear guidance. But the truth is, it's much easier than it looks. In this video, I will walk you through the exact 7 steps to form a Florida LLC and the easiest way to complete the setup. But if you want support, Start Global can handle the entire LLC formation process for you. With 4.7-star rating, we have helped more than 3,000 founders across 150-plus countries set up their US LLC. Click the link in the description to get started. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's clear a few common myths. Myth number 1, you must be a US resident to form an LLC. False. You do not need to live in the US, and you don't even need to visit the US to form your LLC. Myth number 2, forming an LLC remotely is complicated or impossible. This is exactly where many non-residents get stuck, not because the process is hard, but because the information online is unclear. Here's an example. A founder from Lithuania told us he thought forming a US LLC remotely was impossible, until he tried Start Global. Now, the important question, why choose Florida to form your LLC? Florida is one of the easiest and most friendly states for non-residents. Florida has no state income tax, low annual fees, fast processing times, and it's a favorite for real estate investors who want separate liability for each property. With that said, let's now dive into the steps to form an LLC. Step 1. Check your company name on Sunbiz. This part is simple. Go to the Sunbiz website, search your company name, and make sure it isn't already taken, even by dissolved or inactive companies. In Florida, if your name is too similar to an inactive or dissolved entity, it will still be rejected. Step 2. Assign a registered agent. This is where many non-resident founders struggle. Every Florida LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in Florida, availability during business hours, the ability to receive legal and state documents. And most importantly, they must sign your LLC formation documents. Step 3. File your Florida Articles of Organization. This is the step where your LLC officially comes to life. You'll need to provide your LLC name, your Florida registered agent details, your principal business address, your management structure, and the organizer signature. Be careful here. Missing the registered agent's signature or using an incorrect address format will lead to an immediate rejection. Step 4. Create your operating agreement. Even though Florida doesn't legally require this, banks do. Investors and partners expect it as well. And if you're a single founder, having an operating agreement helps protect your liability and keeps your business clearly separate from your personal assets. This document becomes essential for opening your bank account, structuring partnership shares, real estate LLC setups, adding co-founders in the future. Step 5. Your next step is to get your Employee Identification Number, EIN. This is your business tax ID. It's completely free and issued by the IRS. You simply fill out the Form SS4. You can apply for your EIN directly on the IRS website. No fees, no middlemen. Step 6. Open a bank account. Once your LLC is formed, you can open a dedicated business bank account for your company. This lets you send and receive payments globally. And here's an important best practice. Always keep your business finances separate from your personal ones. It protects your liability status, keeps your books clean, and makes tax time much easier. Step 7. File your Florida Annual Report. Every Florida LLC must file an annual report before May 1st each year. If you miss the deadline, Florida charges a $400 late fee, and they do not waive it. Remember, this one mistake dissolves thousands of LLCs every year, especially for non-US founders. Florida is a great fit for online businesses, e-commerce, SaaS, coaching, consulting. Creators and freelancers, especially those working with US brands and getting paid in US dollars. International founders who want a trusted US brand identity and easy banking access. Real estate investors who want separate liability protection for each property. If you want to complete your Florida LLC setup without any issues, Start Global can help you with that. Start Global has already helped over 3,000 companies across 150 countries set up their LLC in the US. Rated 4.7 stars, we're trusted by entrepreneurs worldwide. We're backed by BizStone, one of the Twitter founders, and also part of the Techstars network. And yes, we handle your entire US company setup end-to-end. Formation, compliance, banking, all built specifically for non-US residents. And the entire process is 100% online, accessible from anywhere in the world. You get transparent, all-inclusive pricing with no hidden fees and a 100% refund guarantee. Plus, you get 24-hour human support whenever you need it. Here's what global founders say about Start Global. They were extremely efficient in helping us set up our LLC as non-resident. They are very clear on all the additional functions that are available for us. Very fast and thoughtful response from the customer support team. Very appreciated and highly recommended. The team was incredibly helpful and responsive throughout the entire process. They walked me through the paperwork, answered all my questions promptly, and made the whole process feel very manageable. Highly recommend their service to anyone looking for reliable support in setting up an LLC in the US.
I was looking for a way to manage my business from Italy, and I found all my answers in Start Global. They are always helpful and available for us. I really want to thank you all for what you are doing for us every day.
So if you're ready to start your LLC in Florida, click the link in the description and get started with Start Global. Start your Florida LLC today with Start Global.